Hi everybody, I'm Michael COULLING-GREEN, the Citrix Principal Technologist here at QA. I just want to spend a little bit of time discussing with you one of the Citrix course offerings, the CXD252, moving to the Citrix apps and desktop services on Citrix Cloud and Microsoft Azure. A bit of background information. Obviously, traditionally, businesses ran all of their Citrix app and desktop architecture within their own data centers. With the advent of the cloud space, this entire deployment can now be totally migrated or possibly extended into public cloud offerings, Azure, AWS, GCP. What the Citrix Cloud is a service that's used to manage this, so to create, manage, control, and provide access to these virtual machines. And it's on these virtual machines that users can access applications or the entire desktops. Importantly, businesses are still responsible for hosting these machines or the infrastructure to host them, either, as I've said, on-prem or in the public cloud space. And therefore, solutions available are a mixture of on-prem and Azure-hosted virtual machines, and all of that can then be managed by the Citrix Cloud, and in particular, the Citrix Cloud Apps and Desktop Service. And it's these options that really this course focuses on. It obviously introduces what the Citrix Cloud Service is, allowing management of this solution to be taken over by Citrix themselves, but it also discusses the positioning of the infrastructure layer, where the virtual machines are hosted. Are they retained on-prem, or are they migrated or extended into a public cloud space, notably Azure? The course itself runs over 5 days, and we offer it in standard formats, both instructor-led and remote. And the target audience is those personnel with current experience of using the Citrix application and desktop solutions. It's not really aimed for those with no background in the technology at all. There is certification associated with it. You can become a Citrix certified applications and desktops in the Citrix Cloud, and also on Microsoft Azure. So there are 2 separate certification tracks associated with the course. The course is leveled at level 200, which is intermediate level, and therefore there are some prerequisites expected of the delegates who turn up for the course, and that is current deployment of Citrix's apps and desktop solutions on-prem, and also some knowledge of Azure Cloud, a fundamental understanding of the cloud architecture. Prerequisite courses from a Citrix perspective would be the CXD 210, which is the 5-day administering of Citrix's Zen Apps and Desktop solution, as it was formerly known. So what does the course actually cover? Well, it's spread over the 5 days, as I mentioned already, and there's 15 specific modules, but generally it talks about what the Citrix Cloud solution is, the benefits of moving to the Citrix Cloud solution, how it differs from a traditional fully on-prem deployment. Architecturally, it discusses getting to the Citrix Cloud, which requires some on-prem deployment components, notably the cloud connectors, and then the decommissioning of existing on-prem components. Having got to the Citrix Cloud, the course then focuses on using the Citrix Cloud to deploy and manage virtual machines through the Citrix Cloud offering. And finally, the final 2 days of the course focuses on the Azure integration, creating virtual machines in the Azure cloud space, hosting access components in the Azure cloud space. So fundamentally, it's split into 3 and 2 days. The first 3 days is purely the Citrix Cloud, and the second 2 days is integrating the Citrix Cloud into the Azure cloud space. So that's the CXD252 course. Very, very popular, obviously, with the current trend towards migrating to the cloud, and therefore we do have a target audience for this course for those businesses currently deploying on-prem solutions, and obviously solution advisory networks who are required to upskill and up-certify in order to support this solution. If you have any further questions regarding this course, please don't hesitate to contact me. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.